Hello, everyone. I'm Tim, also known as Bront, and welcome to CatHerder Tech. What is CatHerder Tech, and who am I? Well, I'm Tim, also known as Bront in a lot of gaming circles, and I've been a tech hobbyist and a gamer for decades. I enjoy diving into tech, PC hardware, audio hardware, video hardware, software features. I love playing with all this stuff. It's been one of my big passions and hobbies for decades. And tech is kind of a broad topic. So my hope is to start kind of broad, but find my audience, hopefully you guys, and kind of let you guys guide me and lead me down a path of tech exploration. I've been a content creator for a few years now. I do a lot of gaming content over on my gaming channel. I will try to link to that down below. But this tech space and filming tech videos is certainly going to be new for me. It's going to be an interesting exploration, both of my own technical prowess, but also it's going to be an opportunity for me to learn and play with tech that honestly I've really just kind of dreamed of playing with and haven't had the time or the opportunity to play with for now. Now, joining along with you guys, I can do some of these fun videos, some of these explorations, and explore the technology I've honestly always been very passionate about. So, what is CatHerder Tech going to be? Well, it's going to be a lot of things. I love building PCs. I've built a couple of PCs recently in the past few years, and it really brought back my passion for technology. I have been building PCs, honestly, since the late 90s. So I have a lot of experience doing these PC builds, building them, supporting server grade hardware, supporting laptops, supporting PCs. It's something that's been kind of fun. But honestly, in the creator space as well, there's a lot of interesting technology as well. So I've been enjoying playing with cameras, learning how cameras operate, what I'm looking for in a camera, learning about lighting, which is, certainly something you don't think about with technology, but lighting technology is something that has certainly advanced significantly, playing along with your video technology to make videos interesting, make myself look interesting, be able to put up virtual backgrounds like I'm using right now, all these cool things that you can do with technology. Audio interfaces, capturing audio, the difference between how you interface with that audio, speakers, things like stream decks. There's all kinds of fun and entertaining technology out there. On top of the fact, as I said, I mentioned mice. Mice are certainly a fun and interesting thing. They are constantly evolving and finding interesting mice. Controllers are certainly a thing. Gamers tend to use controllers. I still like to use controllers for a lot of the games that I play. And sometimes I use mouse and keyboard, sometimes I use a controller. It's whatever is about having the most fun. But you know what? I can absolutely admit that having a good controller in my hands can make a gaming experience better. So, how much do you need to spend for that? Well, that's something we could certainly explore. Keyboards is a fun hobby of mine. I've enjoyed making a keyboard, customizing it, making it feel how I want to feel. That's something that's technology and it's impractical as well. How much money do you need to spend on this stuff? How can you customize your own keyboard as well? Where should you start? Some of these things we can go over budgets. We can talk about putting together a computer. We can talk about maybe what you might look for in a pre-built computer. What is important to you as a non-technical person? What is important for you as a technical person? I have no problem benchmarking things if that's what we end up doing. I am super open to exploring technology. Heck, one of my biggest problems right now is I am running out of storage. Does that mean I need to build a NAS? That's something I'd certainly have looked into. Or do I need to just get an extra external hard drive and find ways to store some of my data on that as well? There's all kinds of interesting options exploring that. I've overclocked my CPUs. I've overclocked my GPUs. Heck, my RAM is overclocked on my system I'm recording this on right now. That could be certainly something fun and interesting to explore as well. So this channel has a big journey ahead of it. Interested in joining me on that journey? Well, hit that subscribe button, join our community here. Let's make a wonderful community of tech-curious people. While you're at it, hit that like button. Let YouTube know that you want to see more videos from me and more videos, well, not necessarily like this, but about me exploring technology, maybe answering questions you viewers bring up, Want me to do something specific? Leave a comment down below. Let me know the type of things you would love for me to explore, or hop into my Discord and leave a comment asking about it as well. I've got a wonderful Discord community. A lot of it is focused on my gaming content at the moment, but you know what? A lot of us have a lot of overlap. There's a lot of technology people out there. There's a lot of people that enjoy exploring this sort of thing. You know what? You can have multiple hobbies. We could explore how tech integrates into all of these hobbies as well. I'm excited to explore and open this new opportunity for me to learn how to create videos like this and to share my wonder and growth of technology with you guys. I've got plenty of plans, and I'd love to see what you guys are interested in seeing me do as well. And you know what? I'm going to let you guys as a community help lead me into the direction that we feel we should be going. As videos do well, well, maybe I'll cover those topics a bit more. And as you guys request certain things, maybe I can start looking into those a bit more. But I do want to thank you all for the time. It's been absolutely amazing getting a chance to record a video like this. I've actually done a video review of the Fifine AM8. That's actually what started this entire thing. It's a dynamic mic. They sent it along for a review. Did not ask me to do anything other than give it an honest review. I think it turned out pretty well. So go check out that video. And thanks for being here for this wonderful new journey that I'm undertaking.